Good morning, students. Students, in today's video lecture, we would solve the numerical problems related to topic which we have studied, that is gravitation. So the first numerical problem of this video lecture is this. What is this? Two electrons are placed at a distance of 1 Fermi, which is femtometer. Calculate gravitational force of attraction between them. We have given mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and 1 Fermi is equal to minus 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So we have to calculate the force of gravitational between the electron. So suppose this is electron and this is also an electron, and the electron mass, this is m, this is same, so this would also be m. Here m1 and m2 are both are same because both are the electrons, and the mass of electron is 9.1, and the distance between them are, which is given 1 Fermi and which is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter, because we have to solve in SI system, and m is what? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And we know that according to Newton's law of gravitation, each object which have mass attract each object which have also mass. So each mass particles attract each other, okay? And the force of attraction between them is equal to, it means this attract this and this also attract this. And this force, magnitude of this force F is equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square. This is the formula which we have derived in the gravitational chapter. So here capital G is universal gravitational constant, and the value of this is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass m is what? 9.1, 10 to the power minus 11. Mass m2, this is same also, 9.1, 10 to the power minus 31 minus 30. And what about r? This is 10 to the power minus 15 and square. So 10 to the power minus 15, this is whole square. Just solve this and find the answer. Let's solve this value. First of all, 6.6, 9.1 and 9.1. Just multiply. 9.1 into 9.1. 91. 9 on the 9. 81, this is 1, 8, 2, 8. This is 82.8. Again multiply it by 6.6. 6, 4, A1, carry 1, 8, 6 are 48, 48 and 1, 49. Again 6, 41. 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 546.546. So it will be 546.546 into 10 to the power minus 11 minus 31 minus 31. Minus 62, minus 62 and minus 11, 2 and 1, minus 73, and this is 10 to the power minus 15 to the power 2. It means power to the power multiplied is 30, and when we take it in the numerator it would be plus 30. So it would be 10 to the power plus 30. Then these two, this is plus, this is minus, subtract both. So it would be 546.546 into 10 to the power, this is minus 43. 10 to the power minus 43. Shift this point in the left side. So it would be 5.46 up to 2 decimal place we can say. So 5.46 into 10 to the power minus 41. 5.46 10 to the power minus 41, and this force in the SI system, the unit of force is Newton. So capital N. So this is the first numerical problem. I think you got this particular problem. Now we would solve the second numerical. What is the second numerical? Numerical second. A man weighed 600 Newton at the Earth's surface, and as I told you, the weight of the object, ourselves, is the force of attraction applied by the Earth on us. So it is the force F. Suppose this is the Earth, and this is the center, and this is the radius of the Earth, and this is us. This is you. Suppose this is you. When you are at the Earth's surface, then the distance between you and the center of the Earth is r, which is radius of the Earth, re. And at the surface of the Earth, the force of attraction on you is your weight, which is F is equal to capital G, capital M, mass of the Earth and your mass upon distance between you and the center of the Earth, which is radius of the Earth. So this is capital F, G, M1, M2 upon R square. Okay. This is on the surface of the Earth, so Fs. I have denoted it as Fs, force, weight you can say, on the surface of the Earth. This is the equation number first. Now, it is written here, what height above the surface of the Earth will he weigh 300 Newton? What height above the surface of the Earth? Suppose at this point. Now you are on this point, which is up to h height from the surface of the Earth, and from the center you are re plus h. The distance between now you and the center of the Earth is, this is re, this is h, this is re plus h. The distance increases, and the distance increases, the weight, force on you decreases. That's why it becomes 300 from 600. Okay. It means now above the Earth at height h, so Fh at height h, the force on you by the Earth G. One important thing, the mass of you would not change whether you are on the surface of the Earth or you are above the height h, or you are on the other planet, on moon or Mars, anything, anywhere. So your mass would not change. Only the force on you by the Earth would be changed, because distance is changing, but mass would remain same. So it would be as it is, small m. Mass of the Earth would be as it is, me upon what is re? Distance between you and the center is re plus h. This is re plus h whole square. This is equation number second. Now, what is Fs? Put the value of Fs, 600 Newton. 600 equal to G M me upon re square. Equation first. Now, Fh 300 Newton. 300 equal to G M me upon re plus h whole square. This is equation number second. On divide these two equations. Just divide these two equations. So I am going to divide these two equations. Equation number first divided equation number second. LHS would be divided, RHS would be divided. So it would be 600 upon 300 equal to G M me upon re square whole upon G M me upon re plus h whole square. So this term cancel out. This would go in numerator and this is in denominator. 3 2 is 6. 2 upon 1 equal to re plus h whole square upon re square. Okay, just solve these values. 2 by 1 equal to, we can say it, re plus h upon re whole square. Now, square remove square, it would be under root of 2 equal to RE plus H upon RE. Multiply this RE, it would be multiplied here, root 2 RE equal to RE plus H. This RE under root 2 minus 1, common RE here, it would be H. Now put the value of RE and solve this. Root 2, the value of root 2 is 1.414 approximately minus 1, and what is the value of RE? 6400 equal to what? H. This would be 0.414 into 6400 equal to H. Just multiply this value, 6400 into 0.414 0 0 0 0 4 6 0 0 6 5 2. This would be 0 0 is 6 9 1 2 3 1 2 3. It would be approximately 2650 kilometer. It would be 2650 kilometer from the surface of the earth. 2650 kilometer from the surface of the earth. So I think you have cleared these two numericals. So thank you, students.